Hi guys! I sound like an idiot. So today I'm gonna do another elf look. I stumbled upon this. I used this before in one of my eggplant decorations. I thought, why not do an elf look out of it? It looks really cool. Looks like hair. It's kind of furry. Let's see what kind of look we're gonna come up with this. Actually, I have it already in my mind, but I didn't make any face chart and anything like that. So it's gonna be interesting.
Do we say when our depression gets bad? My depression is chronic, but these ass cheeks are demonic. You better possess, bitch.
First thing is to put on primer. Next one is foundation. I think I need to hide my eyebrows for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and block my eyebrows. Yeah, so here goes nothing. So that's it. So first I'm gonna do the other half of my face so that it will be easier to edit and do other stuff with the other side later. So if ever I made a mistake on this side, it's gonna be easier to erase. I'm thinking of putting black eyeshadow around my eyes, so let's see how it goes. So now I'm gonna use black paint as an eyeliner to line around my eyes. I forgot to put on my lenses again. I'm gonna use Clara lenses for this. So wish me luck. I'm gonna put it on right now.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
So as expected, it was a struggle. I don't know, there's something wrong with my lenses. I think it's with my eyes. It's like they don't fit right. They tend to pop out. They're not gonna stay there. I'm gonna have to use another type of lenses. This part kind of messed up, so I'm just gonna use my black eyeshadow again to put some under my eye. So again, I'm gonna line my eye with black paint. Now I'm gonna put white paint over my brow. I've got a white eyebrow. I'm gonna try a technique. So I'm gonna create a line just below my eyebrows using a Q-tip. It's the first time I'm gonna do this, so wish me luck. Oh, there. It's not exactly how I imagine it to be, but you know, it'll work. I'm gonna use glitters, silver glitter. I'm just gonna put it here, just under my eyebrows, just between that blank line and my eyebrow. It's time to start sticking these things. I'm planning to put them under my eye all the way to my body. So I'm actually not sure how it's gonna go really, but you know, trust the process. Okay, so one down and a lot more to go. Okay, so that's it. Well, it's not finished yet. I'm gonna contour my face using black eyeshadow. So I'm also gonna trace some black eyeshadow over the thread to add a bit of that depth. Now I'm gonna do the lips. I'm also gonna color it black because, you know, why not? I'm gonna put some glitter. Yeah, some silver glitter. First I'm gonna do the outline. So I'm just gonna have to do the other side and then do some final touches, and then that will be the look. I already did the other side of my face, and then I added some white patterns. I added some lines on my forehead using white paint. And yeah, I think it's okay now. I'm just gonna add my tillandsias. I'm gonna use my tillandsia junceus as accessories because why not? So that's it. Look, I have my earrings now. I'm gonna do my TikTok videos now. And please add me on TikTok. I have all my elf look videos there. It's at Lhitz Valencia 13. Please follow me there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, comments, or anything, just put them in the comments down below. And I hope to see you again on the next one. Thank you very much, guys. Bye.